Hey guys, Matt Edwards here in Fort Worth, Texas with Vought RV. We're going to do a really quick video because we're getting rained on out here right now. But this is a 2019 Jayco 174BH. This was bought new from us. An older couple had it. They used it to take the grandkids out camping. They enjoyed it. They came back and just bought a bigger trailer is what they did. So getting trailers right now are really hard because of COVID, and I'm sure you've been looking, and it's a mess out there right now. But this is a super clean unit right here. All of our units come with a 90-day warranty on them. This one has the front windshield, front window up here that you can open up. That's really nice at the campgrounds. It's a very lightweight trailer. One battery. We fill your propanes. We check your battery out for you. It's a single axle trailer. You've got the Goodyear tires on here still with the stainless steel guard up here in case you ever do have a tire split on you. Now we haven't got this one quite cleaned yet because of the rain, but we will have it all cleaned up. Let's see what else.
We better head in.
Yeah, let's go ahead and head on in right quick. Has electric awning. I'm gonna let Brian go first because he's got the camera. Alrighty. Okay, here we go now. Now we're inside. We've got a 15K AC unit. That's how we order them all. We order trailers, equip them the way we want to go camping because it gets hot in Texas, so we always make sure and get the bigger ACs in there. You've got the twin bed right over there behind Brian with the day shades, or night shades, excuse me. Lots of cabinets up there on the top. You've got a two-person dinette right here that will fold down to a bed if you need it. And again, you've got the cabinets up here, and all Jaycos are screwed and glued, okay? No staples, real wood, very structurally sound unit, okay? You got a CD player right over here. We've got a small refrigerator that runs off electricity and the gas, so that way if you want to do some boondocking. And the folks that had this were very nice. They used it to take the grandkids out and go camping. And like I said, they just bought a bigger trailer. But I mean, she took very good care of it, very clean. The kitchen up here is kind of neat because you got lots of prep room up here. You can mount a TV up here if you want to. There's a 12 volt and there's your cable with your booster on there. Your tank gauges are right above the sink. You've got a 2-burner stove, microwave, and for a small trailer, you've got quite a bit of groceries. Lots of storage in there. Got the 2 full bunks over here. Now these bunks over here will hold 300 pounds, okay? Jayco makes them that way. So that way if you want to crawl up here with the kids or whatever, it'll support you. Plus these are the thick teddy bear cushions up here. Now lengthwise, let's go take a look right quick. I've never done this before, but we got a little bit of time. So I'm 5'9". And you know what? I could actually stay back here. There's plenty of room back in here for me. And the cool thing too with the kids is they've got a window. They've got a power socket back here, so that way they can plug up their iPads, their games, their phones. It's got a little handle up here to grab onto. There's your furnace right here. Okay, here is the restroom. Now this is my first time to do this though, but I saw this and a customer asked me about it. Is there room for the squat? I said, what? She goes, I need to do the squat test. Okay, so here's the squat test. So I can sit here and close the door. I've got my roll right here and it works. Boom, okay? You've got your tub shower over here. And the cool thing about a Jayco is underneath me is plywood and 2x4s. That way it supports me over here, okay? And again, I'm like 5'9", so yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a tight shower in here, but you know, if I'm out in the mountains or out camping, I can put up with that pretty easy. I can do that pretty easy. This unit won't last long. I'm not sure how long it's gonna stay up before we end up selling it, but it is available. Brian's gonna put my email address right here and my phone number right here. So I'm here all day today. Give me a call. I'm usually up till about 10. I love the RV business, okay? I'm kind of an RV nerd. I have pictures, I collect little toys. I really enjoy this, and I like helping people have fun. So you guys be safe out there in the rain, and God bless you.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.